Hello friends, I just came in Bangalore after almost 11 months outside, right? Primarily 10 months in New Zealand and almost nearly 1 month in Assam. Uh, but primarily what I have learned in New Zealand or what I have seen in New Zealand uh, is really worth sharing with you. Uh, the important thing is what the youngsters basically, right, who is primarily involved in part-time kind of job, even the students or job seekers of course will involve in part-time jobs, but most importantly the students who have been undergoing even their high schools or college are always involved in part-time jobs. So that gives an opportunity for them not only to earn a little bit of money and become financially independent, but also they learn some of the professional skills that required down the line for 2 years, 3 years, 5 years as they start into their career, which makes them more efficient when they start working in a corporate environment. That is one thing that is a little bit of different from what I have seen in India, right? So the student communities are engaged in part-time kind of roles or any kind of job, even in the securities. It does not matter what kind of job it is. For them, it's just a job, and all jobs are equal. That kind of mindsets are there in New Zealand. That is definitely a worth learning for us, we being an Indian. That is what one thing that I have seen. Second aspect, if as I said, the work culture wise, the mindset wise is very different. There, each of the pupils think that all works are equal. Either it is cleaning job, painting jobs, or any other jobs. It does not matter whether it is white, blue collar jobs or it's just in ordinary jobs. It for them all jobs are equal, and the amount of dedications and sincerity that you can see while performing their jobs is really uh, worth noting. Especially the youngsters, beautiful girls, the young boys are doing their cleanings activity in such a dedication wise, and it makes sure that they are putting their effort 100%. And that gives an opportunity for each of us to learn from them why they think like this, because they are able to connect a higher meaning out of their work, and therefore the overall productivity improve, overall the quality has improved in all the deliverables they have been doing in their workplace. That is worth learning from us, especially when compared to India and New Zealand. Sometimes we are not enjoying our work for many reasons, right? But in New Zealand, each of the pupils put their 100% effort. It does not matter what kind of job it is. That is what second learning for me. One thing that is what I told, that the students are engaged in part-time job to get more and more experience from early stage of their student life. And second thing is the mindset towards the work, especially that has evolved because of the from the government policy wise, from the top level to down in the society. That kind of mindset is there where they completely focus on dignity of labor. It does not matter what kind of role or responsibilities, every work is equal. That is second learning for me. And third learning is the culture wise. Overall culture of New Zealand is very soft. They hardly say no to people. They are very soft. They are not at all rude. If any New Zealander say, I'm not sure, I don't understand it, and or they keep quiet, that means they are saying no, we should understand that. So that kind of softness you will find among the New Zealanders, to make sure that nobody hurt while communicating, while engaging with. Even in the workplace, when team members or the manager communicate with their employees, I have never seen any kind of dominating kind of communications. It is very soft. They will convey the message very politely, make sure that you don't hurt, you just realize the importance of your mistakes or importance of your work, and making sure that everything goes smoothly as per the professional requirements. So 3 learnings. One is the students are engaged in part-time jobs to get more experience. Second thing is the mindset of towards the work. It does not matter whether it is big jobs, small jobs, everything is all equals. That kind of mindset has been there in the New Zealand. Third thing is the softness, the in communications and behavioral part is very important, which they have been demonstrating in the workplace to make sure that all pupils are getting equal respect, nobody are hurt as far as professional environment is concerned. So these are the 3 key learnings that I have seen in New Zealand, and I thought it will be helpful for you also to understand it and take this thought to your professional environment or to your life and make our society a better place to live in. With this note, this is Nirpal Chatri. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye.